Rachel, and today I'm back with a video that I'm super excited to film. It is of course my Josephine Bow Designs advent calendar. So we're going to do an unboxing of this. I've picked it up every year for the last 2 years, I think. This will be the 3rd year now that I have got this. This has literally just arrived about 5 minutes ago. The postman knocked on the door and I was like, gimme, gimme, gimme. And shut the door and ran. And yeah, we are ready to unbox it. So it's not opened. I have just popped this little card over the top here because my address is under there. I've not even done the slits yet, so we will do that. This didn't fit through my letterbox. He handed it to me, he knocked. It might fit through my letterbox actually. Maybe he did just knock because my postman knocks. I don't know, but let's get in here. I am super excited. If you want to go back and watch the previous unboxings of the Josephine Bow Designs advent calendar, I will try and remember to link them down below. I'm not good at doing the cards thing. Oh, how am I going to do this now? Because, hang on, we'll go under. There we go. Okay, so yeah, if you want to watch the other unboxings, then they will be linked below hopefully, and you can go back and watch those. Now, just before you carry on watching, this is going to be a full unboxing of the advent calendar right now. This is a 12-day advent calendar this year rather than, I think we got a choice last year, 12 or 24. And as usual, we got a choice of what format you wanted it in, and I chose the standard vertical. I believe there was a journaling option this year as well, which is just amazing because journaling stickers have been quite big this year, haven't they? I think there's been a big shift in the planners that people are using. But anyway, yeah, so full unboxing. If you do not want to see what is in this advent calendar, you need to click off this video and go and watch something else, and I'll catch you in the next one because I'm going to rip open this bad boy in about 5 seconds flat. I'm so excited to get in here, so off you pop and I'll catch you later if you don't want to watch this. With the rest of you, let's get on. So I'm going to presume that this is the theme for the whole box, and I love it. I love it so much. It's pink and white and just beautiful, and this is very American high school, which I love. Thank you for choosing the 12 days of Bowmas. I hope you enjoy unwrapping these gifts as much as I enjoyed designing them. I wanted to create a feeling of excitement and optimism for 2023 with a cheer for the new year theme, Joanne, and I think that definitely comes across. Cheer for the new year. I like that. Okay, so I'm already excited because I can see something with my name on it. I'm so excited. Okay, disclaimer, there's going to be squealing. Oh. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is so much fun. A little planner pouch. Okay, so I believe then, let's just get, I think this might, like, this is just an extra. This is not like a day. Oh, this is so cool. This is glittery as well. Hello Nostalgia bag. Glittery, and it feels so nice. Oh, okay, good start. Good start. This is always going to be an amazing advent calendar because Joanne's just incredible and knocks it out of the park every year. Look at the packaging. Oh my gosh. Okay, right, I'm going to move this out of the way, otherwise I'm just going to squeal at everything. Let's put it here like this, and then we'll go through the days. So, day number 1 in this rather cute holographic little bag. Ooh. Okay. Oh, we've got washi. Transparent overlay tape, and I think it's stars. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? Oh, this is just going to be amazing, I know it. So that's number 1. Okay, next up, day number 2, we have a normal sized envelope. Ooh, oh, okay. Oh, this is adorable. Oh, we've got a sheet of transparent stickers with immaculate holographic foiling, but I mean, would you expect anything else from Josephine Bow Designs? Oh, that's stunning, and I love these. Currently reading, listening to, grateful for, enjoying, loving, watching, spending time with, prioritising, working on, planning. Love it. Also really loving this font. Loving this font. Oh, okay. Let's move on then to day number 3. We have got a pretty pink envelope. This feels hard. I don't want to bend it. Ooh. I just got like a peek of the colour at the side, and I'm like, ooh! Oh, look! Okay, we have got a yearly overview. This looks like it's A6 size. Oh, I love the theme. Oh, and then on the back we have got 1 new year, 12 new chapters, 365 new chances. Oh, that's really nice. And look at this. Die cut there as well. Is it a sticker? I believe it's a sticker. Yes, it's a sticker. Which one am I going to stick that in? This is the question. This is the question. Should have bought 3. 1 of each version. And then moving on to day number 4, also saving the numbers. I've got a bigger envelope for this day. And in here, it's in a cellophane bag. It might be a kit. It might be a kit. Oh, it's a kit. Oh my gosh. We have got a standard vertical kit and we have got 8 full boxes that are just so springy and beautiful. And then we have got the functional boxes. Oh, this is gorgeous. Then we have got the date covers and some checklists, a weekend banner and some page flags and some trackers. And then we've got the bottom washi and the headers. This is a full standard vertical kit, just like you would buy in the shop. Not of this design, this is Advent exclusive. But the format is exactly the same and you pay about £12, I think it is, for these kits. And you've got a full one right there. Oh my God. I love it. That is so pretty. How does she do it? How does she do it every time? Okay. Your biggest fan, Stan? Right, then let's go for number 5. We have got another bigger envelope here. Oh. I only have to peel like this tiniest bit of the envelope and I'm like, I love it. Okay, we have got, oh, vellum and acetate, vellum and acetate. Okay, oh, and it is an A4 sheet, it's just folded. Okay, so we have got this acetate, which is in the plan theme. It really is very cheerleadery, isn't it? I love this. Beautiful acetate, which is some stars. But if you look in the foiling, these stars, it's actually foiled with holographic foil with stars in it. So it's stars made out of holographic stars. I don't know if that's picking up. Anyway, it makes it super, super shimmery and shiny. That is beautiful. Oh, I love these. Absolutely love these. Okay. Let's move on to number 6 then. We've got a smaller white envelope. In here we have got a washi card that matches. Oh, that's super pretty. Look at that. I have quite the stash of Josephine Bow Design's washi cards. I have one in every one of my planner. I love them. Now we move on to number 7, which is in this purple envelope. And in here we have two sheets, and we have got, ooh, some transparent stickers, which I love. They're going to be good for layering. And we've also got some of these paint swatch ones. Do you know what it reminds me of? Like my 90s high school diary. It's that kind of vibe, isn't it? That is so me. I mean, like, 40-year-old me loves this. But like, 14-year-old Rach would have died for this. Can you imagine the squeals back then? I've toned it down a bit when I've grown up, but, you know, not much. Okay, and then moving on to number 8, we have got a little baggie. And in here, I'm going to open this really carefully because I'm trying my hardest not to ruin the packaging or the stickers. In here we have got not 1, not 2, but 3 washi tapes. And we have got, oh, we have got this one, which is the stripes with the writing, the cheerleader writing, planners, stickers, washi. There might be some more writing, but I'm not going to open this right now. Absolutely need pictures. And then this one is the one with the stars on it. And this one is, oh, ones with little stripes. And together, let's see how they go together. They do go together beautifully, don't they? Perfect. Absolutely love it. Moving on then to number 9. So for number 9, we have got this beautiful teal coloured envelope. What's this? What's this? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, we had one of these last year. Oh, I'm so glad we got another one of these because I was wondering what I was going to use. Okay, so we've got 2 stickers. One for your word of the year, which I haven't chosen yet. And one for your goals of 2023. And they are, of course, in the cheerleader vibe. I love them. And then we've got a bookmark, which is adorable. Beautiful. Is that a sticker as well? That's a sticker as well. I will probably laminate that and use it as a bookmark, but you could definitely use it as a sticker. And then we've got number 10, which I was ignoring because it looks so cute. I was trying not to get too excited. So we've got this beautiful holographic packaging. Let's get in here. This is thick. Also want to save this envelope. She's not had a Weetabix today. Okay. We've got a notepad, a really thick notepad. Is it notes or is it sticky? It's notepad. Oh, I love that. It's so cute, but there's so much room that you can write on. It's not like a tiny little space in the middle. You've still got most of the page. Love this font so much. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with everything. And then we've got number 11, which is this beautiful peach envelope. My favourite one, just in case you wondered. This colour is gorgeous. In here we have got 2 sheets. We have got a sheet of scripts. Lots of things that we will use. Tidy desk, meal planner, date night, this week, planning, habits, day out, declutter, shopping, check-in, urgent, lazy day. I need 1,000 of those. Early start. Don't want any of those. And then we've got some months of the year, which are beautifully foiled in holographic on this transparent paper. And I love the little delicate scattering of foil around it as well. Very, very pretty. So that's number 11. And then on to the last one, which is day number 12. We are in a bigger envelope. And in here, we have... we have another kit, and it's the kit that matches the whole theme of the Advent. Oh, this is so pretty. So again, I'm going to take a guess and say that we have got the usual standard vertical layout, which is my favourite box. Ooh. Oh, there's 2 that it could be, 3 that it could be, 4, 5 that it could be. I'm going to say this one. It could have been that one, 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 could have been that one. I mean, I don't hate these 2 by any means, but oh, it's so pretty. 8 full boxes. Got your functionals. These are nice with the little accent of foil on the side. And then we have got your date covers, trackers, checklists, weekend banners, and some page flaggy bits at the bottom there. And then you have got the most amazing bottom washi and headers as well. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I mean, I'm Josephine Bow Design's biggest fan anyway, but that was absolutely amazing. I'm super happy with all of it. So much to use. And you know, you guys have seen me get the other advent calendars from Josephine Bow Designs, both of which I loved very, very much. And you've seen me use bits and pieces throughout the years in my planners, and I still have so much left from the advent calendars. You get so much for your money. This is amazing. And the fact that this is an extra, this is not even a day, this is an extra. Incredible. I loved it. So that was my unboxing of the 2022 advent calendar. Wow, absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it. I can't wait to get all of this in my planner. I won't be able to do any plan with me's or anything until after December when everybody's opened their box, because I don't want to do any spoilers or anything. But I am definitely going to open this box on occasion and admire all of the wonderful foiled cheerleader goodness that's in here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you picked up the Josephine Bow Designs advent calendar and you've unboxed yours, let me know what you think in the comments below. Please don't post any spoilers for anybody though, just in case the comments come up on anybody's feed and they didn't want to know what was in there. But yeah, that's going to be it from me for today. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I love you forever, and I'll see you soon.